What's going on? It's Easy back at it with another great video for you guys. So, you know, today is Thursday and it's snowing. We are having at least, it looks like 1.5 inches outside, and you can see outside it is pretty bad. Already snow guys cleaning the Walmart parking lot, whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna go clean snow for my guy. It's not Ryan. I clean snow for another guy, just putting it out there for you guys. So today I'm gonna go clean snow, and it sucks because my truck 4x4 linkage had to give up. It was rusty and I think it just broke, so I can't activate my 4x4. You know, right there I got a manual, so I ordered that part. It's coming in. It was about $60, but it's coming in. It takes its while. It takes its time to come here, so I'm waiting for that, and I'm bummed out that I was not able to use it in this snowstorm. So not a lot of cars out here, but yep, I'll see you guys when I get to the skid steer, the John Deere. So yep, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Haven't been posting the snow bit for a while, so hope you guys enjoy it. Now with a GoPro, so I'll see you guys. He just hit my truck. These dudes just hit my truck, bro. Dude just hit my truck. Just hit my truck. Alright? Yeah, I'm alright. You sliding, right?
Yeah.
No, you're good, bro. You're good. You didn't hurt. No, I'm alright. I knew you were gonna slide. I tried to go like this way, but your truck somehow, you know, it's slippery, man. So you're good. It was. Yeah. I was going slow. You were going slow too. So
okay.
Nah, we good. We good. Look, no, nothing happened to it. I'm alright, bro.
Okay.
You're good. Just be safe out here, man.
Yeah, you too.
Right.
My bad.
All right, no, that's all good. That's all good. This guy literally just hit my car. His truck slid, dude. I didn't get that on camera, man. I hope son of a, I should have got it on camera. But this guy literally hit my truck. Oh, he slid, dude. And I was trying to brake, but the truck literally just kept going. Like it's pretty bad out here, man. So, you know, you guys got to be careful out here when it's snowing. Try not to drive too crazy fast. You know, it's just really bad. Well, he didn't damage my truck, you seen. He just kind of bumped into me because I swerved a bit. I swerved to almost over here, and he just pushed me. I was seeing his truck, SUV, whatever, trying to like brake, you know, and he just slid. This is my life. Things like this happen, so be careful. Everybody that's out there plowing, you know, drive safe. Put your 4x4, even with the 4x4, sometimes they don't even work. So just drive safe. Don't try to crash, you know. All right, see you guys when I get there. All right, guys, I'm here. It's snowing outside. It is really snowing outside. So, all right, I'm gonna start hitting the roads. I'm gonna go heat up the Bobcat, and literally, yep, I'm gonna stay there for a bit. So I'm gonna go start cleaning the sidewalks. I'm gonna have to heat this up and then clean it. A lot of people's like, why do you keep it on, Eric? So I'm gonna keep it on. Guys that I started with when I was removing snow, we used to have a bigger crew. This crew's pretty small. So, yep. The guys that come and help us are roofers or guys that do landscaping. So, you know, they're pretty cool guys. They work really hard, so they actually beat me sometimes, which is pretty awesome because I have a machine. They're like human bodies, but that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This video is gonna be pretty cool. Disconnect the cord. don't want to yank it off and take it with me. Here's got to connect the cord here. Alright. That was 10 minutes. I waited for this to heat up. 15 minutes tops. It is 12:25 in the afternoon. Yeah. We're gonna hit this, clean that, and that's another video with Easy plowing snow. So let's go. Started here in the small section, which I have to hit first because my boss from the snow, Juan, told me that these guys complain more than anything, so they wanted me to clean it first and get it knocked down. So I'm pretty much doing the roads, and then pretty much done with the roads. Now I gotta hit the little driveways, and that's it. I'm done with this side, and then I have to go to the other side, the big side, and then hit the roads, and then clean all the little driveways that are in the first where I started. So it's a pain. It's a pain, but it's easy. You just gotta be careful. You know you're gonna slide. You just gotta know what you're doing. So yeah, I pretty much know what I'm doing now. So. But when I started, I didn't know a lot. So now I do. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yep. What can I say? It's like snowing and water, and then it's snowing and it's just wind. It's a mixture. So yep. Probably stop by and say what's up to Ryan if I can, and if he's there, because when I passed, he wasn't there. Yeah. Cleaning these. Let's see. Cleaning the little driveways and start cleaning that, get them all knocked down, then go to the other side. So, yep. That's it. Let's hit it. Let's hit it. Mama knows. I'm just gonna turn around and hit the road. Oh.
What time did you start?
At 11:30.
There's hardly any snow then.
I know, we're just chilling.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just making that easy.
Oh yeah, just sitting here, chilling.
Yeah. How do you like that plow?
It's good, but the skid steer sucks.
It's not a very big skid steer.
I know, it's too heavy for.
Medium frame machine, it looks like to me.
Yeah, dude. I told him, I was like, I don't. It's not good. The other one I had, it was older, it was bigger. Oh, that was way.
The tires that you have on there, those are not good tires for snow.
Yeah.
Those are straight construction.
Yeah, I told him, I was like, they keep spinning right. Like, I get frustrated. I'm like,
those are terrible in the snow.
yeah, I was gonna stop by.
Those are really nice plows, though. That's what I heard.
Oh yeah, these are cool.
It's a little hard to back drag with that thing.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Be careful with the garage doors.
yeah.
Ooh.
No, I'm very careful. The guy, actually, I'm letting the guys hit the walls from the thing, so I won't hit too close to the garage.
Oh, you make them shovel a whole bunch, Eric?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to. I don't. Not too much, but yeah, quite a bit, because those things are pretty like bad. Like, you know, when I first started here, I'm not gonna lie, I hit a door.
You hit the door?
Yeah, when I started here.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know.
Did you tell him though?
Oh yeah, I was straight up. I was like, look, I hit it. He's like, it's kind of mad, but he got it. He got insurance, so he was good.
Well, I gotta get over there. I'm gonna start pushing myself.
Yeah?
I'm gonna do one push now and then come back when it's done.
I'm gonna have a better skid steer, better tires. Not to talk crap about it, but yeah. So it's 5:08. I'm about to go take my lunch because easy gotta eat. Yeah, this thing is really small, man. It just, the tires are not good. It's a John Deere 3.8G. I mean, it's pretty strong, but it's not too strong like the other one I had. So yeah, it just keeps sliding because this snow's pretty light, and then some smush in the snow. So there's the other guy over there. I'm just talking to him about this problem. He knows about it because when I was not here, he used to plow with that, but he doesn't know like how to work a skid steer like that. I mean, I don't either like that pro, but you know, dude, he says I do much better. Look at that. Ooh. My head hurts, guys. I'm gonna go eat some McDonald's or Burger King. All right, we made it to Eric's. One of Eric's favorite restaurant is Burger King.
You're right with you.
All right, thank you, man.
You're welcome.
Well, they ain't got the Impossible Whopper, baby. come a Burger King because it's one of my favorite. My dad always used to bring me here. Well, not here, well, in the south side. And, you know, Burger King's been with me since I was a kid, man. I sure love the Whoppers. Oh, just got done eating at Burger King. It is about to be 6 in the afternoon. It's 5:54. 30 minutes I took. He told me I could take a little bit more if I wanted to, because I kept going. The guys, they weren't even there anymore, so they've been out for a week, for a whole hour or so. Probably they're already there. Gonna finish up. I gotta see if I got some painkillers, because my head hurting. All right, guys, I'm back. We're back. I'm gonna finish this and go. Guys over there still helping me out. Shout out to that guy. Keeps it real. Got a lot of things to clean, man. It's just skid steer wasn't operating well. Well, the tires weren't operating well. Let's just cut to the chase. It's pretty dark outside now. It's around to be 6 something. 6 p.m. All right, easy, back at it. The tires are really bad on this skid steer, which is really bad. These guys are the sidewalk crew now, and they're gonna clean the front of the garage more. And we're gonna just try to hit it one more time, and that's it. We're done. I'm pretty exhausted. I just ate. Man, I wish I could rotate with somebody else do the Bobcat work, because it's a pain when it's sliding. So, but oh well, I'm here. I gotta keep pushing, keep working hard, making that good easy. Having the same issue here. The pitch obviously comes this way. All right, the same thing is happening this side, because all the pitches hit this way and then it comes this way back down. So every time I'm trying to push this, it just keeps sliding this way, and it just keeps almost hitting this, going that way, almost hitting that house. So I don't know what to do, guys. I'm pretty frustrated now. Like I'm frustrated. I've been frustrated. I should have been done already like 2 hours ago.
Celebrate big time deals at JCPenney's President's Day sale. Enjoy red hot style and white hot savings for the whole family. Like buy one, get one free jeans from Arizona, Thereabouts, A&A, or Mutual. Stock up while they last. Plus, take an extra 20% off with coupon. Hurry, the savings ends Monday. JCPenney. Offers valid on select styles through June 20. Conditions and exclusions apply. See store or jcp.com for details.
For free at ziprecruiter.com/radio.
They brought me diesel. It's full. Where's he at? He's right there. Ahora pues, primo, ahí nos vamos. Ahí, gracias. Hey. He just brought me diesel. By the way, it's 7, almost 8 in the afternoon. At night, this skid steer is terrible, dude. It's well, my snowballs is here. He's gonna be here, so he'll know what to do. It's because this thing just slides, man. It's just the tires are for construction, like Ryan was saying earlier. We need some snow tires. Can't even see nothing, look. Guy was telling me there was a lot of accidents in the freeway because he came from Greenfield, the town of Greenfield, over there by the mall. Somebody you guys know watching from Wisconsin, Milwaukee area. He said it's really bad outside. Really bad in the road. They barely even have salt underneath. I guess because it's gonna freeze. I mean, it's already frozen, like it's already like slippery. So imagine me with no 4x4. I'm ready to go home, dude. If I had a truck, it would have been clean. The guy from the truck, he had to go clean the other side, so it's a lot for him to clean. This thing is useless, man. Look, it got stuck here. Are you serious? Ah! It is 9 something. Let me check. 9:21 in the night, and it keeps snowing. I'm still here. Keep sliding. I got stuck. They took me out. Man, this is just terrible. I've been plowing snow, but it's never been this bad with the skid steer. So, I don't know. Barely trying to even put the plow down so I could just scrape whatever's on top, but it just like becomes an issue. It's a lot of snow, dude. That's it, guys. I'm done. Oh, guys, that's it for today. Easy E is all done today, even though it was a big chaos with this skid steer due because of the bucket's too big and heavy, and got some construction tires, you know, not snow tires. So we're slipping a lot, dude. I was just like, I'm so done with today. I've been here since 11. It's 10:54. It's about to be 11, so I'm done today. I'm gonna go drop this thing off, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see see you.